now the news in detail. In a disturbing incident, unidentified assailants hurled stones at the residence of Magdalene S. Maulong Umsning MDC from the National People's Party NPP's residence. The attack took place at Maulain Maukan, Sokandur village, Ribhoi district. Reports indicate that around 6:30 p.m. yesterday, some miscreants pelted stones at the residence of NPP MDC Magdalene S. Maulong. Maulong and party workers were present inside the residence at the time and managed to escape unharmed. Following the incident, a police complaint was promptly filed and personnel from Umyam police station swiftly responded to the scene for initial inquiries and investigations are ongoing. The East